actually look like. I still got a rough voice. Hey guys. I'm also like so shaky. Anyways, I promised I'd give you guys an update after Vegas. Well, update, I've been sick for like over a week now because Vegas is gross. Yeah, I'm just now getting my voice back. And I didn't even party while I was there. I was literally there for work. So, yeah. Anyways, I tried to get cute. I'm literally sitting on the floor. I got dressed cute today on my day off. I am probably gonna need to refilm all of this, but anyways, like, why is my hair like, anyways, I am headed to meet up with a girlfriend to help her get all set for her wedding makeup because Lord knows we got to get that set before her wedding in a week. But my gosh, my phone just went dark. Maybe this just wasn't meant to be on this camera. That's better. Anyways, while we're on the topic of makeup, I got some new funsies in from Merit, which y'all know I love. I've been dedicating a lot of my time on YouTube to Merit because I truly believe in their products, and I have loved every single piece they have sent me, every single piece I've bought. So I've got some 2 noobs to try from them. First, it is their like classic mascara it's called the Clean Lash Lengthening Tubing Mascara. I did the black. I always do black because even though I have like light hair and dark eyebrows, I just feel like the black isn't overwhelming on my eyes. Like usually on like super fair people, the black seems to be a little overwhelming when you put too much on your eyes. Ooh, beautiful. Anyways, we'll try that out later in this video. And then they also sent me their new signature lip in Aperitif. I've been working on my French. It is like a new red for them. And who doesn't need to have like a classic red on hand? And I don't like that. I mean, I do like that it's not like a gross bright red. It's like has more hints of like neutral in it. So I think it'll be a really pretty red. We'll try that out too. Hey, did you say hi? Mr. Grumpy. Yeah. You guys, I just got back from the mall because I needed a couple things before packing to head to Colorado tomorrow. And I went to Hollister. And I will say the last 2 years I've gone during the summer just to like get a nice little swimsuit, cute. They always fit so well and are actually like really good quality, but I didn't need a swimsuit. And I've been really needing like t-shirts, which I feel like I'm always wearing a t-shirt when I film, but I have like hardly any that I actually wear out of the house. And you guys, this was $10 BTW. First of all, this one, it's like a little crop top. It's a piece of Matisse art, which I love because I didn't get any like, when we were in Paris, I didn't really get anything like this of pieces that I saw besides like little like magnets or whatever. So I'm super excited to layer with this with like high-waisted white jeans and like, I don't know, a denim jacket or something while we're there because it's supposed to be like 60 and then like lows of 30s. And then y'all, I'm so excited for the Barbie movie. Like, if you know, you know, but like I'm so excited. How cute. It reminds me of those beach shirts, like the, you know, the spray ones, like when you go to a little beach store. And it's just so cute. And it's oversized, so it'll be cute with like pink leggings. It's so cute. And I don't have much, it's hard for me to purchase a like oversized t-shirt, even though I wear that most often. So I'm So excited for her. And then they had really nice running shorts. So these were also half off, like 20 bucks. I'm really excited to just have a good black pair of those. And then I have some sweaters that one of my favorite Amazon brands sent me. It's called Miro, and I'm not gonna say it right probably. Miro Kitty. It's just like a good, very me. It's got like a wide sleeve and then a slit on the side. Gonna be so cute. Jeans, throw it on, even like denim shorts if it's a little bit warmer during the day. And then this one, we're on our pink grind. What's new? As I'm wearing pink sweatshorts. It's so cute and it's so soft. So I'll have to find the links. If I don't find the links, I will find them for Instagram. So be sure you're following me on Instagram. So that you can always be up to date on all of my like clothing links, since I do a lot of beauty stuff on here. Ooh, maybe I'll like tie her up. I don't know. Anyways, but today's video is sponsored by Merit Beauty, one of my faves. So I'm about to break those out, try out the mascara and the new lip color, even though I don't really have much makeup on. I don't have any on, but it'll be good for y'all to see like exactly what the mascara looks like. Okay, I love how slim it is. It'll be so perfect for throwing in my purse. Ooh, you can tell it's just so nice. Like it's gonna go on so nice. So let's do a little before and after. Okay, obviously I just did this eye. I didn't put a ton on, but it went on so smooth. And I've never said this before about a mascara, but it smelled good. Like not all toxic-y and like icky. So yeah, she is a keeper. Like look how long. Sorry. Cute. Let me even out the other eye. Okay, we're going for the red. I'm gonna take it off after this since I'm not really doing much today. But we're about to try this red. I haven't worn a red lipstick in a long time, but I'm very excited to see how this looks on. Okay, wait. I have to show you guys as I do this. It's like very, very buildable, which is awesome. Like this is not a normal red. Like if I wanted to just do like a darker lip, just kind of like drag it along the bottom lip and then kind of pat it. Okay, wait. I literally like went to the bathroom to put this on and ran out here because she's cute. Wow, and it feels really good. It kind of almost feels like a chapstick going on, just like the other one, but obviously I'm impressed. Thank you, Merit. I love, love, love this color. I've never loved a red before. Oh my gosh. Oof. Now I gotta get back to packing because I know by the time the evening rolls around, I will be really annoyed when I don't have all this put away.